It was an ordinary school day until something very strange happened. The students were busy in class when they suddenly realized the school bell didn't ring. Lori, Annie, and Max looked at each other in confusion. "How do we know when to go to recess?" Annie asked. Mrs. Thompson, their teacher, checked the clock. "That's odd. The bell should have rung 5 minutes ago." Lori's detective instincts kicked in. "A broken bell? Sounds like a mystery. Detective Lorry is on the case." Max grinned. "Let's solve it before lunch, or we might be stuck in class forever." Lorry and his friends went to check the school's speaker system, where the bell sound usually came from. Max knocked on the speaker. "Maybe it's just turned off." Annie shook her head. "No, the morning bell worked just fine. Something must have happened in the last few hours." Lorry wrote in his notebook. Clue number 1. The speaker was working earlier but stopped. They needed more clues, so they decided to check outside near the main school bell, the one that had been there for years. As they arrived at the school bell tower, something caught Annie's eye. "Look, there's something inside the bell." Lori squinted. Stuck between the metal ringer and the bell was a small, fluffy feather. Max gasped. Did someone stuff the bell with feathers to make it quiet? Lori noted in his book. Clue number 2. A feather inside the bell. Just then, they heard a soft chirping above them. A small bluebird fluttered down from the tower, tilting its head as if wondering why everyone was staring at it. Lori watched as the little bird flew back into the bell and pecked at the ringer. "I get it now. The bird was looking for a cozy place to rest and accidentally got its feathers stuck in the ringer. That's why the bell didn't ring." Mrs. Thompson arrived just in time to see the discovery. "That explains it. We should carefully remove the feathers so the bell can ring again." Lori smiled. "And guess what? We just learned a new phrase. Saved by the bell. It means getting out of trouble just in time, like how the little bird almost stopped recess forever." As the students laughed, the bluebird happily fluttered away, and the school bell rang just in time for recess. Another case closed by Detective Lorry.